I'm the choreographer, dear. I don't have a part.
We've all seen the ribbons before. We can do the ribbons.
Rebecca, if you do the ribbons, who is going to do the growth of the leaves amongst the front row?
Literally anybody. We could grab someone for the audience.
We can have her do it.
She doesn't need a leg for leaves.
Fine, Maria. You are ruining everything. Go and play the stump. I'm gonna be a stump.
Sometimes you got to meet people where they are, and I was wondering if you wanted.
Who there shall pass?
Hey, guy, I'm kind of in the middle of something.
I know, but you can't pass if you don't, answer the riddles.
My love for you and ask you to marry me.
Oh, so romantic. If you don't pass the riddles, you're gonna die.
If
you pass a riddle?
I've really screwed up, honey. I'm sorry, but we're in the thick of it now. Mr. Troll.
Yes?
Hit me with the riddle.
I knew this was gonna happen. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Nicole.
Nicole who?
Nicole never bothered me anyway. Oh, that's not a riddle, it's a knock, knock joke.
That's one strike. If you mess up 2 more times, we get to go
We're
for
gonna
free.
kill you.
What? No, I got riddles.
Number 2, let's go.
Need another riddle.
What do you say to the toilet on his birthday?
It seems like another joke, but what?
You need to guess. That's the riddle part.
Are we gonna die?
Poo-poo parade?
That is so good. No, it's have a crappy birthday.
So we're 1-1. This is the third one.
Yep.
This is the tiebreaker.
All right,
Oh, we have to kill him or he gets to kill us.
Honey, I love you, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you, and I'm glad that either way, or at least one of the ways I know for sure, I hope that if we survive the bonding experience of killing this troll, we'll make you say yes.
Well, we'll surely be traumatized.
Sometimes that's all you got.
It's time for the last riddle from the sewer troll. I've got riddles.
Wait for the riddle.
They're multiplying. Here is your third little riddle.
Shovel us.
Do you by chance have any riddles? I can't do a knock-knock joke. If I do a knock-knock joke, I will be dead. If I do a knock-knock joke, then it's off with my head. No more
I got a
knock-knock jokes.
question.
Yes.
Maybe they can answer this question. So Meatloaf said he'd do anything for love. What? But he won't do that. What is that? That's a question.
That's a question. It's not a riddle. Hey, I don't know what's a question.
Should I use Tinder or Senior Mac?
God damn it!
If a southbound train leaves Chicago at 9 that's a bad problem. Oh yeah, kind of works like a riddle for kids in school.
That's math.
You don't have any ideas either. How many bananas are on a tree? That's a math question.
This is counting.
Oh,
What
now I know.
are we going to
Hey, boss, this is kind of a riddle.
Yes.
Well, figuring out what a riddle, that's kind of a riddle, right?
That's great.
Yes, good for a riddle.
Hey, lovely couple on the bridge. What would you say to a sewer troll if you needed a riddle to
What's black and white and red all over?
Mom and Dad. Jen. I need to talk to you guys about something.
Sure, of course.
So you know how I love playing fantasy sports?
Okay, yep.
I spent all my tuition on DraftKings.
Honey, how did he have access to the tuition checking account?
He said that it would be hard and he didn't want to call me in the middle of the night and move money, so I gave him the password.
Oh. Okay, your father will take care of it, honey. I'm sure he'll give you more money.
Yeah, okay, awesome.
Since you gave him the money in the first place.
I didn't give it to him. He moved the money. I saved the money and then it... Jen?
What?
What?
I feel like I'm being a big person right now by admitting this.
Let me put away Moby Dick. You really screwed up my morning read. Listen, how many did you do? One bet? Did you do 6 medium-sized bets? Did you do a long?
I did a 6-leg parlay.
Son, come here. Let's log on. There's got to be a way we can get this back.
and you put it on a good team, right?
Right. I just said that the New York Jets are going to make the playoffs.
Just before.
They had Aaron Rodgers at the time. Okay. It was okay. Maybe I thought Zach Wilson could revive himself.
This is worse than your father giving you the money. We raised you better than that.
I didn't give him the money. I gave him access to move the money.
It's the same thing.
How would I know you would bet on post-injury Aaron Rodgers, New York?
Let's not act like you're not spending all your money at the bridge game.
That's right. I've seen my sock drawer where I keep a roll of $50 bills in case the government institutes a digital currency. And some of those bills have gone missing.
You guys don't know how much pressure there is at the bridge games. Imagine if you were there.
That's not even to mention Dad's poker problem.
Hey!
Ladies, really happy for just a friendly game.
I want to know who the fuck ate all the caramels out of the bridge mix.
Let's say we make this game a little more interesting this week.
Ooh, put some caramels in the bridge mix?
It's not always about caramels, Louise.
I don't know what the fuck it is.
This roll of $50 bills.
Engagement ring. I just happen to have the title of my car in my pocket. And I keep some extra Benjamins in my bra. Hang on.
Look, Louise, we know that's not all that's in there. Fork it up.
Okay, Mom, why did you go into so much detail about it?
I know the woman has had work done and she claims she hasn't, but there's no way she could keep that many
No, and also,
Benjamins
why
up.
did you admit to starting the gambling with the money? There's no pressure. You started it.
Okay, poker papas. Get in here. Time for a nice Moby Dick themed poker game.
Call me Ishmael in.
I'm gonna nail a golden balloon to this table, and the first person to get a royal flush gets to take it home.
Okay. That might take a while. Royal flush is kind of tough to get.
Well, we've got all night, don't we? The ladies
Oh,
are
yeah.
We sure do.
So see, we all have our vices. Every single one of us.
Well, at least
Maybe we all have our problems.
maybe we all have our problems. That's a good way to put it, son.
We're all...
Somebody come in the back door. I just wanted to.
Oh, God, put a shirt on.
a teaching moment for my son, and that is not what we want to teach him.
Sorry to come in through the front door. I killed a whale.
Guess we all got our problems, huh?
So sorry to come in through the side door. I work for DraftKings, and I made all that happen.
I'm real sorry coming through the window. I'll just come in through a door.
We've all got our problems.
Sorry, Mom, if you're a charity.
Sometimes we give in to our habits and our vice. But this is a learning opportunity for you. Sometimes you can choose a better path, that's what you should do. 'Cause
We've
they
all got our problems. We all got our problems. Look, you've got some.
I've got $100 tempted to have a crack. I didn't think it was there, but then I felt a little paper cut. I didn't mean to put money all over me. I guess I got
Oh, sorry to come in out of the toilet. Real shitty birthday.
Or a crappy birthday.
That's enough puns for today. This is a teaching moment for my son, and not just for dad jokes.
I started a fire once in a park.
I didn't own the car with the title that I gave to you. I
That's a problem. I illegally killed a protected mammal. That's a problem.
I think that this has been